All right, today's video we're going to cover restoring a backed up database or going out if you retrieved a sample test database from Microsoft. They've been very generous and provided a bunch of sample databases over the years called AdventureWorks. Today what I'm going to do is I've gone out to the Microsoft GitHub and downloaded AdventureWorks 2016.bak. A link to their website will be in the description in case you want to go out and download a previous year or a newer version. Just make sure it's compatible with the studio version that you're using or the server version that you're currently on. Like I'm on server 13.0 4001. Some of the 2017, 2018 are going to be a 14 plus, so you won't be able to restore those on an older server version. All right. So first off, what you're going to want to do is take this script. This script will be located on our GitHub Professor Pitch site. I will leave a link in the description to it as well. And you're going to find, once you download that backed up database, you're going to get the directory where it exists. Right now I have my own test database with the BAK. We're going to run this. And what you need to do is you need to grab these logical names here. I've already done it, pre-populated it for us, but you're going to need to grab these logical names, AdventureWorks 2016 data. If you end up using a different one, you will need to replace this in your script. So I already have this in a variable. I did pre-populate these two variables to make it a little bit easier on what you need to replace in this file if you're brand new to SQL Server. All right, so once you've grabbed your logical names for the data file and the log file, you're going to down here, down below, you need to add this LDF. Make sure this MDF as well. You're going to replace it, whatever name that you've given it, you need to update this as well. And we're going to run this. This is going to run really quickly. Make sure we got everything. Oh, also one last thing. This test, this is what you're going to want to name the database. So if you obviously you probably don't want to name it test. If it's something you're going to use, you're practice and play around with, whether it's a sandbox or a test environment, you can name it whatever. And this is where you're going to rename it. I think originally might have been AdventureWorks 2016. So I've made an alteration to that because I want it to be a test. F5, a couple seconds, it should be done. Here we go. Let's go over to our databases and our Object Explorer, hit refresh. We now have a test database with a lot of good data. As you can see, all kinds of stuff to explore. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. This was very straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Thanks so much.